so you can see. So when you first walk in my door, you can see it's directly to my bed. I have this little saying on the wall and little mirror decals on the wall, and then I set my mirror up right here so you can step back and see yourself, and my little gray rug. And then here's my bed, my little pillows and my little stuffed panda. And I have another thing on the wall, some little mirrors on the wall. Those are lights strung up, and this is my window. Let's see if you can see outside. That is this. I don't know if you can really see, but that's the stadium across the street. This is my lamp, and on my nightstand I have my Bible and my journal, and a little pouch with some things in it, and my remote to my Fire Stick. And over here is really my workstation where I keep all my work. This is my printer with my computer, my cell phone, all little things I might need while working. This is my calendar that I planned out for the month, and my little desk light, and my Google Home. So this is mainly where I do my work. And here I have a little Victoria's Secret throw, so if I get cold I can put it on. And I put a cushion in the chair. And this is my rug, a little fluffy rug. It's hard to keep clean though. And this is what I use to get up on the bed, because my bed is lofted so high. I have to use something to step on, and I can actually store stuff in there. And then this is like a little, you know, cabinet thing that I keep decorations in and other little stuff. This is my Serenity Prayer that I just put up there, and my oil diffuser, and some little things in this section of the shelves. This is a teddy bear that's in memory of my dog, a little mug. And then here I have just some jewelry boxes and just other little decorations. And then down here it's just some lights and a water fall, because I like the sound of the water. Then here I have a little chair for if somebody want to come over, they can sit. This is my closet. Let me back up so y'all can see better. I hung lights up, like curtain lights, and a curtain because it's not a door where my closet is, so nobody can see in there really. But that's my closet. And then here I just have this thing sitting right here where I can just drop my purse and my keys and things so I won't lose them. And now we're going into the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. It's all like kind of coordinated. This is my desk. This is the things that I keep on the sink. Nothing really in there yet. This is this underneath the sink. I keep like all my bath stuff and lotions and things in there. And these are the matching rugs that match my shower curtain, and some little bath pictures because it's a bathroom. And that says the bath is calling, I must go. And then I actually, since I live in room C, I get to have a bathroom window, so it's pretty cool. It lets some natural light inside. That's another building on the other side, but yeah. And this is just my little towel rack with my decorative towels on it, with my initials. That's my little bathroom trash, the toilet paper holder. And then this is my shower curtain with my shower. Yeah. And then this is the back of the door. So it's a pretty good sized bathroom. I'll go over it just one more time. Oh, and then I have the toilet cleaner matches my trash can. Thanks to my mom. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you guys it again with like the light cut off so you can see all the lights. But this is how it looks when I cut off the lights. You know, all my little lights going. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. I like this part of my room too. Actually the TV is supposed to go up there, but since I had decorations to put up here, I just put my initials and some more little mirror things on the wall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go right here so y'all can see from this angle. But if you think my room is cute, please like this video. I put in a lot of effort to make it like a little home. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.